Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a hand wash. Yeah, hand washing is on the scene. This will prevent you from the good old corona, SARS, influenza, etc. But this will prevent you before you will get sick. And it is really easy. This is the main thing what you have to do in this season of influenza. Hand washing. It is also known as hand hygiene. This is the act of cleaning hands for the purpose of removing soil, dirt, and microorganisms. These microorganisms can get you a little bit of problem. Hand washing with soap consistently at certain critical moments during the day prevents the spread of many diseases. For example, diarrhea, cholera, which are transmitted through fecal or root. People can also become infected with respiratory diseases such as influenza or the common cold. For example, if they do not wash their hands before touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. These are all mucous membranes. The 5 critical moments during the day where washing hands with soap is important include before and after defecation, after cleaning a child's bottom or changing nappies, before feeding a child, before eating, and before and after preparing food or handling raw meat, fish, or poultry. Water and soap are not available. Hands can be cleaned with ash. And of course, if you go shopping, after you shopped a little bit, wash your hands. This will prevent you. Medical hand hygiene refers to hygienic practices related to medical procedures. Hand washing before administering medicine or medical care can prevent or minimize the spread of diseases. The main medical purpose of washing hands is to cleanse the hands of pathogens, bacteria, viruses, or other microorganisms that can cause diseases, and chemicals which can cause harm of diseases. This is especially important for people who handle food or work in the medical field, but also an important practice for the general public, because it will prevent you from influenza. And winter time is influenza time. And in these days today, there are more influenzas out to disease you, to hurt you, like SARS, like corona, and so many different other things what you can get. And the third thing to protect you against them is hand washing. Do this each hand washing process should be 30 seconds and use soap, and after the hand washing, dry your hands with a cloth. This is important to fight against the diseases out there. You can handle it, and if you perform this, you will protect others too. And if everybody out there do this, yeah, we will win the fight. Maybe. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.